Learn how to unblock contacts on Snapchat. You maybe blocked your ex-girlfriend, boyfriend, and know they are sliding your inbox again, so you change your mind and now want to unblock them, or you even blocked someone by mistake. No worries. I will show you how you can do this. Just follow my steps. Also, this works on both iOS and Android devices. So let's start by opening your Snapchat application. Once you are there, if camera screen first appear to you, you can change page to your profile by clicking on Bitmoji icon in top left corner if your screen. Once you did that, your profile page will appear. You will see bunch of stuff that you don't need now. What you need is to click on this option icon on top right corner. After that, settings screen will appear with so many options. Anyways, we don't need them. Scroll down the page until you find blocked users option. This will lead you to the page with the list of all users you blocked. As you can see, I have just a little blocked contacts on my Snap. To unblock someone, tap this X icon near the username of person you want to unblock. When you did this, new pop-up will appear. Just tap yes again, and that contact will be unblocked and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.